Hi guys, welcome to my channel SAP Lobby. Today we will discuss on the SAP S4HANA PEO. So before we proceed, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So PEO means Production Engineering and Operation. So this is some kind of add-on functionality in the S4HANA. Okay, and this is being designed to handle the manufacture of complex and highly engineered products. Okay, so with uh, this production engineering operation, you will get the benefits like you will get the more details of the production process. Unlike to the classic routing and production, in this production engineering and operation, you will get the more details of the production process. And here you can give the instruction to your operator, and you can record in the production process progress. So based on that, like suppose some operation is taking long time and you are on the on step and you have to report every time like what is the status of the operation. So you can record that progress in this with this functionality. And flexibility to the incorporate the engineering changes means like suppose your production is going on, in meantime you are doing some changes, you can inform, you can report that to the operator. Okay, so that kind of flexibility is there in this functionality. And and it's modern suppler, so it can integrate to the user interface, and so that everything that operator need to perform their work and quickly deal with any issue they encounter. Okay, so that kind of good integration between the user interface. Okay, so these are the benefits of production engineering and operations. Now we'll talk about some key concepts in the PEO, means like some functionalities. So actually there are many functionalities in this production engineering operation. Out of that, I able to capture some of the production engineering operation. First, it's action processing. So now in the system, you can configure the status and action schema in the system. So that will help to, like suppose when you transform from one status to another, those you can configure in this functionality. And this action hook framework provides the flexible and configurable means of defining and executing sequence of action handler. So like you can, based on your sequence of actions, you can maintain config that one. And so that that will help user to select the that sequence of actions in on the based on the progress of your operation, based on sequence you config, so that user can, it will be easy for user to choose the action of sequence of actions. Okay, that is the one functionality. Second one is the like version controlled environment supply routing. So unlike to the classic routing, here we'll use the versions, and that should use released version can only be used in the production. Okay, so whenever you assign the version, that should be released so that production can use those environment routing. Then subfloor routing. Subfloor routing, so in the production engineering and operations, we need to use the subfloor routing. So unlike to the classic routing where we are using like suppose routing, rate routing like this, similarly in production engineering operation they have the subfloor routing. Okay, so that is give the more details in compared to your classic routings. Okay, then another functionality is change alert. Change alert, like it will notify your production operator. So suppose you did some changes in mean of production, and that you want to notify the operator, so that this function will help you to notify the production about the engineering changes and highlight the what changes done. Okay, so that they can easily perform their activity based on the notified changes. Okay, so this is the change alert. Another is buy off. So buy off generally for safety conscious. So it can be used for safety conscious industry. So so basically buy off means it ensure that your result, your operation has performed as per predefined quality standard. Okay, so that so this is useful in case of in case of your some industries like aircraft, food, pharmaceutical, where quality and safety are main major thing. So there, and safety conscious industry, so we can say that is safety conscious industry like aircraft, food, pharmaceutical. So in such industries we can use this functionality buy-off. So buy-off is basically like to ensure your operation activity is performed as per the predefined quality standard. Okay, that is buy-off. So these are the some functionality I able to capture here, but there are, in addition to that, many functionalities are there. Okay, so currently I am also exploring more, and because this is kind of many, they have added many functionality in the production engineering operation. I am also trying to exploring more and more on this topic. So so currently, like, I don't have system to share you and demonstrate the currently I don't have system to demonstrate the functionalities, but I captured some screenshots where, like, if this is the screenshot where this is the they have added. If you look at, so here, so this is like production operations. Okay, so in the below this in normal production node, under the production node, there is one more node added in the S/4HANA, manufacturing production engineering operations. And under that production operations, okay, under this production operations, so there are like action processing. There you can do the status config for status and action schemas. Okay, and different status actions. So this configuration you can do here. Okay, so these are all node they have added for the production engineering and operations. Okay, and this is the action handler. Okay, so here you can define your action handler. And if I was talking about these actions, if you look at like completed, initial, and so if you look at completed, initial, in process, pause, so these are the some sequence of action you can config as per your requirement. Okay, you can use these actions. So these are the standard over there. Okay, and this is like actions are there. So all these are part of this starters and action schema. Okay, so based on that you have to assign those actions. So all this configuration you need to do here in this status and action schema and status handler. Okay, so this is all the action assignment. Whatever action you created, that you can assign here. Okay, and this is the like sequence you can put what sequence, what after what sequence of you can rearrange your sequence of actions here. Okay, so these are the, so I only able to capture for config for the one of the functionality. Okay, and some in now in the production engineering operation, they have added some Fioris are there. So because mostly the in production engineering operations, they you will do the configuration the GUI, but every all the functionality, all the like transactions you need to do in the Fioris. Okay, so here like some theories are, these are some theories are there, like manage production operations, manage production operators, manage production orders. Okay, so all these things you have to do here. Okay, so there is one functionality also, engineering snapshots. Okay, so change records, so all those are under the production engineering and operations. So basically, the intention of making this video on this topic, like without having the system also, to give some information about the production engineering and operations. Okay, so this is like new thing. I am also still exploring on this production engineering operations. Okay, there are many functionalities are there, but unfortunately I don't have that system to demonstrate. Okay, I mean I can't share that system to demonstrate, but I'm trying to explore on that, and based on my explore, I will give more and more information in my coming videos. Okay, so hope you like this video. If please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you for watching.